Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we are solving the spreadsheet part of the paper February-March year 23. So let's start. The Tawara Cricket Club records on a spreadsheet the number of runs scored by each player in each match that they played. Number 1. Open and examine the file m23betting.csv in your spreadsheet software. So we'll open that file m23betting.csv. This is the file. Delete the row 2. So we'll delete the row 2. That is this. Select that row, right click, delete. Next, insert a new row at the top of the spreadsheet. So we'll have to insert a row on the top, right click, insert. Now next, merge cells A1 to V1. Place the text Tawara Cricket Club in the merge cell. So we'll copy that text and we'll merge and then write that A1 to V1. So A1 to V1 will merge that, yes, up to this. We'll merge and we'll place that text Tawara Cricket Club. Then merge cells A2 to V2. We'll merge these cells also A2 to V2. Yes. Next, merge cells. Place in the footer, write a line, the text spreadsheet edited by followed by a space, your name, center number and date number. So we'll copy that. We have to insert the footer. Insert text footer. We'll go down. Yes, the right align. We have to put the spreadsheet edited by, then space, comma, your name, Gina, space, your name, comma, center number and candidate number. Center number BH111, candidate number 1234. That's it. So we have done this up to this. Now save this spreadsheet with the file name M23 Cricket, center number, candidate number, for the example this. So we'll save this spreadsheet. File, save. Center number BH111, candidate number 2, 3, 4. We'll just say. So we have done all this. Next, task 2, format the spreadsheet to look like this. We have to format our spreadsheet that should be look like this. Format row 1 to have 36 points sans serif, white text on the dark gray background. So row 1 has to be 36 point. So go normal. First row 36 point, and text should be sans serif, that is Arial. Background should be dark gray. Text should be white. Now row 2 have 18 points sans serif black text on the light gray background. So we have to put the text 18. Arial, background light gray, and the name should be right align. First we'll select this, name should be right align. This all should be in the center. Numbers show, all the data numbers should be center align. We have to reduce this column. Not out also we have to reduce. We have to put the wrap the text. This also. Okay, the data should be in the center. This should be, yes, all done. So we have done this second task. Now come to the third. Place in cell U4 a function to count the number of matches played by this player. Replicate this formula for each player. So we put the formula in U4 to count the number of matches. U4, this is U4. So we put the formula count the number of matches played by the player. Yes, so 9. We'll replicate this formula up to down. Next, so we have done this number 3. Next 4. Place in cell B33 and B34 functions to display the highest and lowest scores for the matches. Replicate this formula for all matches. So B33 and 34, this is the highest score. So we'll put the formula maximum score for the match. Replicate this for all matches. To this. This is the lowest score, so we'll put the formula minimum replicate this up to the last. Do this row also center. So fourth also we have done. Now fifth. Place a replicate formula in cell V4 to calculate the average score for this player rounded to 1 decimal place. So we'll put the formula in V4. This formula to calculate average score. Go to V4. Equal sum of the scores, sum of all score divided by number of matches played by minus not out. So number of matches played by, that is count, minus not out. So this is the formula, and we have to round it to 1 decimal place. So we'll round it off and edit this formula to make sure that cell count contents are not displayed if the player has played fewer than 5 matches. So we'll modify this formula. Put if number of matches means if number of matches played by is less than 5, then we will not display anything. If it is false, then we have to put this formula. To close the bracket. That's it. Now we'll replicate this formula. So we can see if matches are less than 5, these cells are empty. So that 5 number also we have done. Now save your spreadsheet, print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure the row and column headings are displayed. So we'll go to save our spreadsheet. I'll save. Now we have to show the formula, show formulas. So it is showing formulas. Yes, we'll go the file, print. Row and column headings are displayed. Row and column headings are displayed. Page setup. Yes. Row and column heading should be displayed. Next, what it is saying, the grid lines are displayed. So we have to show the grid line. Next, page orientation is landscape. So we have to change the page landscape. Content of cells are fully visible and can be easily read. So we'll check to OK. We'll check. Yes, it is fully visible. All formulas are visible. Yes. We'll go for print. And save. Print that. Now the formulas. Now we have done 6 also. Number 7. Sort all the data for the players in descending order of their average score. Those players who do not have an average score displayed must be at the bottom of the list. So we have to arrange in the descending order. So we'll go to average score. Let's select the data. We arrange in the descending order, column V, cell values largest to smallest. But here we can see these empty cells are coming on the top. We have to bring it down. So what to do for this? Do first we'll sort this data column value smallest to largest. If we do, what we can see, these the players those do not have the average score, it is coming at the down. Okay, that only we want. Now again we'll sort the data to bring it up. Now custom sort cell values largest to smallest. Okay, so now empty average cells are at the bottom and these are data in the descending order. Task 6, 7 also done. Next, save your spreadsheet with the file name M23 Cricket 1 center number candidate number for the example this. So we'll save our spreadsheet in this file that only we have. Save as, save our file, save as. The file name should be M23 Cricket 1 center number PH111 candidate number 1234. Save. Yes. Print your spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure row and column headings are not displayed. Grid lines are not displayed. Page orientation is landscape. The content of the cell are fully visible and can be easily read. So we go for print. Page setup should be landscape. Grid line should not be displayed. Row and column heading should not be displayed. Row and column not displayed. Grid line are not displayed. Page orientation is landscape. So okay. So we can see yes. So we'll just print that. Save print 1. Okay. Task 8 also done. By this we finished our spreadsheet part. Hope you understood.